How to turn off dream suggestion notification on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial, and for today's tutorial I'll be showing you how can you turn off dream suggestion notification on Snapchat app. So to do this, you just have to follow the simple steps. First thing first, make sure that the application is completely up to date, after which you want to go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. Once you go to the application section, click the Bitmoji icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. While you're on this section, you want to click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. So under my account, you can find notification right in between. Just press that, and you just want to go to the enable notification option and make sure to toggle the button. After which you want to go to the notification one more time, and you could see there is this dream suggestion. So currently it is enabled or on market, and this way you'll have successfully turned off dream suggestion notification on Snapchat. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.